So the question is, I am required to have a joint sponsor for my petition, and does that joint sponsor need to be family? And the answer is absolutely not. You can get any kind of joint sponsor. The important part is that they meet the federal poverty guidelines, and so typically they need to make, so depending on their household and the number of family members in the household, they need to make at least 125% of the poverty guideline. And so that is a critical requirement. No, they do not need to be family or blood related or anything like that. And just when you try to get a sponsor, mention to them, what are the requirements and what's needed of them to do, and the fact that a sponsorship is a contract between the person sponsoring you and then the U.S. government. Thank you for watching.